Okay guys, we're gonna do the eyebrows. I need to make sure I remember where they are. So up here. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanae. If this is your first time watching, if you're returning, hey girl, what's up? So today we're going to be doing a challenge. So this is a no mirror makeup challenge and it is literally exactly what it says. So I will be doing a full face beat without any mirrors. So this viewfinder is about to go off in the next couple seconds and we're about to get started. If you're interested, stay tuned. So I'm gonna be using my Radical Soft Focus Glow Drops. I'm literally doing the same makeup routine I always do. Same base, same everything, the huge. I'm gonna do this. This is gonna be so hard, guys. I don't think I've ever tried to apply anything to my face without looking. Maybe the only thing would be like a lip gloss, but that's just one portion of my face. I'm gonna go with my Phantom face powder. I always start off my makeup with this, more than likely, but like I said, I'm gonna be trying to do a full face beat without looking at a mirror. As best as possible. Have you guys ever tried to apply your makeup without a mirror? I haven't, but I feel like I'm gonna try to rate myself. So I feel like I'll do maybe like a 7 out of 10 or a 6 out of 10 maybe. I think I'll do better than a 5. I think some things are gonna be easier to apply. Like obviously like foundation is fairly easy because you're literally just applying it to your face. You just gotta hope that everything blends out. Okay, so then we're going to be doing our foundation. I'm going to be taking 3 pumps of my Fenty Beauty. That's what I normally use. So I'm gonna just try to get that on right now. But the thing about Fenty, like I don't know why I tried to use this one, because this one dries so quickly that I have to quickly work and try to get this on as fast as possible. I feel like I didn't get this side at all. So I'm gonna add another pump for my right side. Hopefully it's looking all right. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with our highlight and contour. I'm using the Makeup Revolution in the color C12. I feel like I should know the colors by heart now. But I think if it was like an actual name, I'd probably remember it. But the fact that it's just a name and a number, or a letter and a number, it's kind of like more difficult. Oh my, I feel like I went on my eyebrow. Did I just get on my eyebrow? You guys, I hope I'm doing well. The fact that I literally cannot see is like a challenge in itself. Oh, yeah, but you guys, I've been babysitting my sister's dog all weekend. And he's like still a puppy. He's not even a year yet. And I am exhausted. Honestly, like he is so active. It's absolutely crazy. Like sometimes I'm like, Milo, please just sit down and let us rest. He barks, he runs around. He is all over the place. I don't know, this part right here is probably gonna be super hard because since this color is a very dark color, it could look like it bruised very quickly. So hopefully I am doing a good job. So next I'm going to be setting my concealer with my Old Faithful Sacha primer. Is it Sacha or Sacha? Sacha or Sacha? I'm not too sure, but this is goals. I really want to try the Fenty one. I still haven't tried the Huda Beauty, so there's so many more that I need to try. I really like the Beauty Bakery one, but I just haven't restocked on that one, to be honest. And this one, the Sacha, is on Amazon, and so I have Amazon Prime, and it just makes sense to order off Amazon. I wish everything was on Amazon. If that was the case, I would not leave my house. Okay, so I'm gonna go. Hopefully I got my nose right. I don't know. I literally felt a whole bunch go in my nostrils, so I doubt that I had it right. Okay guys, so since I feel like I have some in my nose area or something like this, because it's still in my nose, I'm gonna brush it off. I'm gonna do this step earlier. My nose contour, I use Studio Fix powder in the shade NW55. So I'm gonna take this, oops. Look, just so you guys know, I'm not cheating. The camera's gonna be facing, the mirror's gonna be facing this way. I completely forgot that they had, you guys, I forgot to do my eyebrows. Okay. That is gonna be a killer. I completely forgot about the eyebrows, y'all. Now that literally scares me. Eyebrows. Okay guys, so I'm gonna quickly wipe this off of my face. I normally leave it on for a little bit longer, but being that I don't know how much I put on and I don't know exactly where everything is, I'm gonna take my little tapered brush from MAC. This is the MAC 129 brush, and then I'm going to take my deep dark. This is covered. So far the face is looking like this, y'all. I mean, I don't know how it looks. I'm hoping that it looks even and blended some way, but I really don't know. I'm debating if I should start with my eyes first or do my eyebrows. I think we're gonna tackle the eyes. So I'm going to be using my beautiful Huda Beauty palette. This is Desert Dusk. There is a mirror in here, but I am covering it with the palette overlay. Okay guys, let's do the liner. Eyebrows, which is gonna be scary. And to be honest, I was gonna put on eyelashes, but the eyeliner was so hard that that was my struggle one, because there's no way I can put on my eyelashes without looking at it, because then if I get glue all in my eye, it's gonna lead to irritation, and I just don't want to do all that today. So we're gonna just put some mascara, and even this is kind of difficult, like without like fully seeing it. Okay guys, we're gonna do the eyebrows. I need to make sure I remember where they are. So up here, like, you guys, I'm nervous. Okay. Pure concentration, you guys. Literally pure concentration. Fill it in with my Brow Wiz. I'm afraid to do the little brow hairs because I really don't know where I'm at. I keep looking into the actual camera like, tell me, give me a sign, but it's just pitch black. So if I go like this, that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to figure out if I could see myself in there, but you can't see anything. So, okay, so that's one down. One down, y'all, hopefully. I feel like that one is like completely off. This one I felt confident in because I'm always pretty good with this one, but this one I feel completely off. Am I, guys? Am I completely off? And that's not cheating, guys, it's just helping me out. Okay, I think I'm almost done. This is my handy MAC Raisin blush. Oh, I don't think I put that on proper. Just put it all over my face, y'all, without it even being in the right area. That's how it looks. I'm gonna spray my face and then I'll do my highlight. But I'm going to try out this new Maybelline lip. It says Maybelline New York, made for all by Color Sensational. 7 universal shades tested on 50 diverse skin tones. I'm gonna need a list of all the skin tones or visuals of them so I can see. This color right here is a mauve. It's called Mauve for Me. It's number 373 in this packaging. It's kind of cute little packaging. There was another color called Spice that I tried, and I wasn't feeling it. It just didn't, I don't think it went with my skin too well. I'm hoping this one looks nice. I mean, it looks pretty. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I don't know if anything is blended. I don't know how anything looks like. So I'm going to say I'm going to get a 6 out of 10, hopefully. I'm gonna look in the mirror. I'm probably gonna open up the viewfinder right now and then we're going to see. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I opened up the viewfinder. It's not too bad. There's a little bit of inconsistencies with the foundation and I put way too much setting powder under my eyes, which I thought I would have. And then right here when I tried to chisel out my cheek, I did not blend that out. So that looks a little bit crazy, but I think for the most part, and my eyelashes, I am so proud of this wing. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? I am so proud of this wing right now. And my eyebrows don't look too bad either. Yeah, everything doesn't look so horribly, but this is the, now I'm looking at myself in the mirror. So this is a no mirror makeup challenge, you guys. I think I did probably about like a 7 out of 10 actually. I mean, I said 6 out of 10 at first. Apart from like the inconsistencies, and you can see my scarring a little bit more here than on this side, but yeah, I think I did pretty well. I'm actually quite impressed, girl. Look at you. Look at you. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll see you guys on Thursday. Bye.